States of matter, a comprehensive overview. Matter is anything that has weight and occupies space. The states of matter include solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and Bose Einstein condensate. Solid: imagine holding a rock in your hand. The particles in that rock are closely packed and have a fixed position in space. Solids have a definite shape and volume, and their particles vibrate but don't change their position. Examples include rocks, metals, and ice. Liquid. Now, let's pour some water into a container. The particles in the water are close together but are free to move past each other. Liquids have a definite volume but take the shape of their container. Examples include water, juice, and oil. Gas. Imagine blowing up a balloon. The particles in the air are widely spaced and are free to move in any direction. Gases have neither a definite shape nor a definite volume. Examples include air, helium, and steam. Plasma. Did you know that stars are made of plasma? Plasma is a high-energy state of matter where atoms are ionized. It consists of positively charged ions and negatively charged electrons. Examples include stars, lightning, and neon signs. Bose Einstein condensate, BEC. And finally, let's talk about BEC. This state of matter occurs at extremely low temperatures, near absolute zero. Particles behave as a single entity and exhibit quantum behavior. Examples include superfluids and superconductors. Now let's talk about phase transitions. These occur when a substance changes from one state of matter to another. This happens when energy is added or removed from the substance. Melting changes from solid to liquid when energy is added, particles gain kinetic energy and start moving. Freezing changes from liquid to solid when energy is removed, particles lose kinetic energy and settle into a fixed position. Evaporation changes from liquid to gas when energy is added, particles gain kinetic energy and escape into the air. Condensation changes from gas to liquid when energy is removed, particles lose kinetic energy and come together. Sublimation changes from solid to gas when energy is added, particles gain kinetic energy and change directly into gas. Deposition changes from gas to solid when energy is removed. Particles lose kinetic energy and settle into a solid.